Yo, what's up guys? I'm back. Okay, once again, welcome back to my channel. Okay, John Lee TV. Okay, have a blessed Saturday po to all my subscribers, followers, and friends, and in audio mobile system group. Okay. Reheat lang tayo guys ng ating mga processors, mixers, and laptop guys. Ayan, samahan niyo ko guys. Okay. Ayan, siyempre powered by mix yung setup by Jones Audio Classic sound system guys. Okay. Ang aking audio source today is ang aking partner Fujitsu laptop, si Red. Okay. Ayan, si Red guys. And then siyempre guys, ang aking favorite ko kasi Red guys. Ayan, ang aking Curve 8, si Red din guys. Black Red guys. Si Black Red naman, okay. Curve 8 powered by Trident iMix guys. Then siyempre guys, ayan, powered by low flow. Nabubulo na naman si John Lee. Low profile routable Rockstone guys, made by Roland Pastrana. Okay, kanyang page pwede in Lazada o Shopee guys. Roland audio cable ng Aero Quezon City guys. Okay, big shout out sa'yo pare Roland. Ayan, powered by Jones Audio Classic system guys. Ayan guys, so, pag interested kayo guys sa ating mga high-end, low profile Rockstone guys, okay, yan ang ayan guys, ito kayo pang min natin guys, male to female guys. Okay, message lang guys in comment section and my FB guys, Johnny Gamboa. Okay, good morning, what's up guys, mga boss, mga idol, mga kabisyo. Ayan guys, for shilling lang guys, gawa ni Roland Pastrana yan, aking amigo from Aero Quezon City, pero ang kanyang province and Iloilo City guys. Big shout out to all my team and Sounds and Lights group Taguig chapter guys. Okay, good morning to everyone. Okay, siyempre sa ating subscriber, followers, families, and friends. Ako, Sumilig family and Gamboa, Asmeraldi Mejia, Nabong, Paragas Vidal. Okay, Palma. Okay, have a blessed Saturday po to everyone. Morning, wake up na guys. Okay, ayan guys, for sharing guys, Jones Audio Classics mobile system guys, mini mobile system guys. Okay, thank you Lord for this blessing, aking binigay mo Lord, aking Jones Audio Classic mini sound system powered by mix guy, iMix, Trident, and ayan guys, ang aking Sonic Ultramizer guys, powered by Behringer guys. Then ang ating ayan guys, KAQ231 professional stereo graphic equalizer guys. Okay, Concert and DBX powered by Concert again. Then Sakura naman guys, naka full range tayo guys. Ayun yung aking Crown Tower upgraded guys. Yung sub nya guys is D10 1 kW. Then yung kanya powered by Broadway guys, dual yan guys. Hindi nakabulit talaga, hindi pa na patong lang guys kasi medyo malaki siya. Okay, ayan guys. Then powered by Johnson guys, old version Jupiter guys. Ayan yung aking pang sub lang guys, yan ang ating nakayanan lang guys. Okay, siyempre thank you so much din kay Lord kasi ayan, nabuo ko yung aking dream Jones Audio Classics sound system guys. Okay, from Rohali Calzada, Taguig. Kaya guys, ragatak lang tayo. Remix lang tayo guys kasi naka-i-upload ko to today guys. Ayan guys ha. Big shout pala, Juson Pro Audio System na Juson Pills, Juson World Electronics, siyempre sa ating Lodi dyan, RTV Tips, Tipon-Tipon. Ayan, big shout out bro. And then to all my vloggers and over the world. Ayan guys ha, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share guys. Paki-views na rin. Then, pakihit na rin po yung ating notification bell para updated po kayo sa aking uploaded videos. Okay? Ayan, napaka linis tignan guys pag mga ganyan. Routable, L-angle siya lahat guys. One item na lang yung kulang guys. Mapupuno yung i-channel ko guys. Okay? Don't forget to like and share guys ha. Paki-views na rin guys. Okay? And then, pakihit na rin yung notification bell guys. Okay. John Lee TV po okay. Ayan guys. Okay. Comment section lang guys sa mga gustong mag-order and direct. Okay. In my channel John Lee TV or in my YouTube channel John Lee TV. Okay. Okay yan guys. Okay. Powered by Jones Audio Classics mini sound system guys. Okay. Ayan guys, naka 0 dB lang ako guys. Ganyan lang ako mag-pihit guys. Okay, once again guys, thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share guys. Okay. John Lee TV. Okay. God bless to everyone and have a blessed Saturday po sa lahat. Okay, bye-bye.